sideway, bro. What are you doing? What are you doing, dude? What are you doing?
Sorry about that. Holy.
That's okay. What happened? Were you distracted or?
No, I was turning and I was coming around the corner and it like, oh.
That's okay. I got scared. I thought you were distracted or something. I was.
No.
Don't. Okay. Drive safe, man.
Great weather, man.
That's okay. Hopefully you got four. Don't worry. I got a little scared. Don't worry. That's why you don't drive in the middle of the road. That is why you don't drive in the middle of the road. People.